Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about assessment of the height of the child. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can visit directly to my channel, my student support system. Please subscribe the channel so that you can get latest update notification. So actually, this is a practical procedure which is asked in practical examination of child health nursing. The title of procedure is assessment of height of a child or length of an infant. This procedure is to be done under the practical examination of the child health nursing subject. Normally we measure length of the infant, means the child up to 1 year of age, and height thereafter, because the child is able to stand. So in your examination, the examiner may give the question as assessment of height of the child, or assessment of length of the child, or combinedly assessment of the height of the child or length of the infant. Then you have to do accordingly when you get your child. If it is the child is infant, then you should measure the length, and if it is toddler, then you should measure the height. You should decide accordingly. Then you will get very good marks. So, how you will complete this procedure? Let us see. First of all, preparation of articles. What articles you should have? Infantometer. This is infantometer. We can measure the length of infant. Then stadiometer to measure height of the child, and a tray which contains articles. This tray should contain a tape measure, cardboard and scale, pen, diary, and a toy to divert the attention of child. Preparation of child and parents. Explain the procedure and objectives of this procedure to the parents. Ask mother to clean the baby and change diaper if needed. Now steps of procedure. For length. Headboard of the infantometer is fixed and footboard is movable. So we move the footboard and keep the infantometer fully open. Now place the baby on infantometer in supine position with head touching to the headboard as shown in this picture. So this is headboard. The head of baby should touch the headboard and this footboard should be away. Then in next step we ask mother to hold the head of baby against the headboard like this, and then keep the feet of baby flat in this way and move the footboard against the flat feet. Now take reading while keeping eyes at 90 degree. So we take the reading from here. Now we ask mother to take the baby away from the infantometer. Then we note the reading in diary and ask mother to take baby to his room and replace all the articles after cleaning. Now the steps of procedure for length or if the infantometer is not available, such as when we are in the community for home visit, then what we will do? Now we spread a newspaper on the table which is kept against the wall. So this is wall and here it is table. Then we spread the newspaper. Ask mother to place the baby on newspaper in supine position, and mother will hold the head of the child against the wall. Now we take a cardboard and place the cardboard against the flat feet of the baby and mark with a pencil on the newspaper up to the level where cardboard is placed. Now we ask the mother to take baby away from this in her lap, and then we measure the length of the mark which is placed on the newspaper from the wall. So this will be the length of baby. It is improvisation of infantometer. Now we come to the steps of procedure for height. Here the toddler which can understand the commands, we ask the baby to stand on the stadiometer without shoes. Instruct the baby to stand erect and keep the head straight. And we ask mother to hold the baby in position if the baby is not cooperative and not able to understand the commands. Now we down the headboard till it touches to the head of the baby here, and note down the reading here. Ask mother to take baby to his room, and we replace all the articles after cleaning them. So this is the procedure for taking height. Now what we will do if we do not have stadiometer or while we are in the community. So in this procedure, the first step is we ask the baby to stand against the wall without shoes like this, and then we place scale or cardboard on the head of the baby against the wall like this, and our eyes should be at 90 degree of this, and then we mark here with the pencil. Then we ask baby to come side to one side, and then we measure with the tape measure from this mark to the floor. So this will be the height of baby. Thank you students for watching such videos. You should subscribe the channel My Student Support System. You can like Facebook page of My Student Support System. And for making your notes, you can visit my blogger mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you students. Have a nice day.